Will artificial intelligence ultimately kill off future programming careers so that there is no longer a need for future programming jobs? Let's talk about that in today's video. Why don't you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Welcome back. My name is Afreen Rahman, and I'm here with yet another, interesting video. And today's topic is whether artificial intelligence will actually kill off the need for developers in the future. So, in other words, is there going to be any programming jobs in the future? Now, what with the advantages of artificial intelligence and the advances that are being made in the field of artificial intelligence? Well, the short answer to that is, and this is in my opinion, there's always going to be a need for a programmer. So at the moment with artificial intelligence, we are seeing huge advances, and we are actually creating some fantastic things out there, and it's really helping us in our day-to-day businesses, in our day-to-day daily life, right? But look, there's one thing to talk about those advances. It's another thing entirely to get a program at a particular computer to say that it's going to replace a programmer, right? So in other words, getting a computer smart enough to be able to write its own code to the level of what humans can do, I think we're a long, that period is a long away in the future, right? So it's going to take a long time before that could happen, if it ever happens, right? Basically, because quite frankly, at the moment, artificial intelligence is being driven by computing, right? And what is computing being driven as? It is driven by the people who are writing the code. So, for a program to be able, to be written to do some kind of artificial intelligence, it has to be designed and set up by a programmer. And the computers are making, we all know that computers are making solid advancements thanks to the brain, that the human possess. But then again, this is going to take a long time before we get to the period where we will actually feel that humans will get replaced, right? Now, that being said, no job is indispensable. So it's not to say that this won't happen in the future, but like I said, I personally think it's going to take a long time. So don't think Skynet, if you're a Terminator fan here now, like I said, it's going to take a long time. So if you're getting to look into artificial intelligence as a career, I think you're pretty safe for now. So I hope this video has helped a little bit. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Consider subscribing by clicking on the tab below, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.